I always believed relying on other people to be a sign of weakness. That inevitably they would lead me to disappointment. Turns out I've been the disappointment.
Are you kidding me? I've learned so much from you. Part of it is admittedly criminal behavior, but most people spend their entire lives pretending to give 0 Fs, and you literally never had an F to give. Any chance you've got some sort of sneaky plan to elude Weems?
Savior's right. This prophecy cannot come true if I'm not here. But it kills me to leave when Tyler is still walking around free.
If he tries anything, we have a school full of gorgons, vampires, and werewolves. Ready and waiting. We've got this Wednesday, I promise.